Hello children. Today our topic of discussion is capital subscription stage. This is the third stage in the formation of company, and this is basically followed by the public company who raises their capital from the public through the stock exchanges. Okay. Now in case of private company, if they are all right with the amount of funds they need to commence their business, then there is no question of capital subscription from the public. But in case of public limited companies which generally trade their stock or shares in the Security Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, through SEBI they will offer their shares to the public, and they will be getting their funds for carrying out their business. Okay, so capital subscription stage is basically used by the public limited companies. Okay, and this is the third stage in the formation of company. So now here we will be discussing the various steps of capital subscription. Okay, so now first is SEBI approval. SEBI means Security Exchange Board of India. This is a regulatory authority for regulating the activities of the company in case of issuing their shares to the public, to the common people. Okay, so what happens is, first of all, the public company has to approach SEBI and submit the necessary documents and everything to the SEBI, and if they are approved by the SEBI, then only they can issue shares to the public. Okay, now next is issue of prospectus. Now prospectus is the document which mentions that how much amount of shares will be issued to the public, what will be their face value, how much amount is being raised through public issues. Okay, then who are the directors, and various other necessary relevant informations of the company regarding the issue of shares will be enclosed in the prospectus. Okay, now there is also another document which is known as a statement in lieu of prospectus. That means, suppose if the public company will not issue the shares to the public, but through their known members or through their acquaintances or known friends, family members, they will be raising their fund. So in that case they will issue a statement in lieu of prospectus. That means instead of prospectus, a document somewhat related to prospectus will be issued by them. Okay, but this is only if they want to issue their shares to their public, to the family members or to their known relatives or other acquaintances. But if they are issuing their shares to the public, general public, then they have to issue the prospectus. Okay, so this second step is either issue of prospectus or statement in lieu of prospectus, right? Then we have minimum subscriptions. Now a public company, in order to allot the shares to the general public, they need to get a minimum amount of subscriptions from their general public. Okay, so generally the amount is 90% of the subscription, which has been determined by SEBI. That means, suppose they have issued 1000 shares of rupees 10 each, so that means the issued share capital is 10,000. Now 90% of this holds to 9,000. So minimum 9,000 amount or minimum subscription of 9,000 shares or rupees 9,000 must be received by the company, otherwise they cannot allot their shares to the public, right? Then they will be next step is application to stock exchange. Then they have received the minimum subscription, they will apply to the stock exchange. Now that can be any of the stock exchanges that is prevalent in India. Either it can be NSE, National Stock Exchange, or Bombay Stock Exchange, whatever it is. So they will apply to that place, and that organization will again verify all the documents of the company, and if they are satisfied with it, then they will allow the company to allot their shares to the public. So the last step is allotment of shares. Okay, in this stage they will get the money from their from the general public. So here is the diagrammatic representation of capital subscription, or a flowchart, which has first board meeting is conducted, then prospects approved, that means prospectus is being approved and issued, application money are collected, that means how many shares or how many shareholders have applied to your company, that money is collected. Then method of allotment is finalized by BOD, means board of directors, that means how the allotment of shares will take place, that means whether the company will allot it on partial basis or on installment basis, that means partial allotment or full allotment, that will be finalized. Then allotment and the letters of allotment are sent to the shareholders, and last is share certificates are sent to the shareholders. So this ends the capital subscription stage, and after this the company will be going for commencement of business, which I'll discuss in my later class. So thank you children. If anyone has any problem, they can approach me. Thank you all.